Today I will introduce you a very new and amazing product. That is our HDBT HDMI Extender LKV3A3. This is the world's first HDBT extender. Now I can't wait to show you this product.
Here's the HDBT HDMI Extender. This is the transmitter, this is the receiver, and this is the IR emitter and the receiver. And here is the power supply switch, and this is the menu. Now we can have a look of the interface. Here's the reset button. If the display quality is not very stable because the environment changed, you can just press reset button, then it will automatically adjust. And here's the HDMI input. Here's IR output. Here's the power interface, and here is the internet interface. You can connect with Cat5, Cat5e, and Cat6. If you connect with Cat5, it can extend up to 120 meters. That is 394 feet. If you use a good Cat6, it can extend up to 150 meters. That's quite amazing.
Now we will give you a live demonstration of its high performance. We are using the Cat5 cable for the testing, and there is 120 meters. And the source is from the TV box. Now we already connected the sender and the receiver. The connection is very simple. In the sender end, just passing the HDMI inputs, the HDMI source inputs, and the IR emitter, and the Cat5 cable. And in the receiver end, also connects with the HDMI display outputs, the IR receiver, and the Cat5 cable. Now you can see. Now we can have a look of the performance. Now the HDMI signal is displayed on the HDTV. Now you must have a look. Now we will try the cascade connection for you. Here we are using two HDTV, as you can see. Now I will describe it for you. Here is the sender. Now it's connected with 120 meters Cat5 cable, and the HD source is from the TV box. Now from this cable, we connect it into the router. Then from the router, we connect one to this big TV and one to this smaller TV. That cable is Cat5e, 120 meters. Now we can have a look of the performance. The quality is very amazing. It's very high HD. Thank you for your watching.